Hello, I'm Richard Santos, and I'm going to briefly be going over one of our lab assignments here. To start out, this is the source code here in the dinner plates tab, and I'll be talking more into this assembly file here. So the whole purpose based on what we're trying to present here is to extend the assembly program to write values 1, 2, 3, 4 into the registers EAX, EBX, ECX, and EDX. And then, of course, we'll use the stack to reverse those values in the registers. So, to briefly explain, the MOVEAX1 is to move um, EAX, EAX1, which is a value, to the EAX register, and push puts the value of EAX on the top of the stack. So if you picture a plate here at the bottom, that's going to be number one, which is the top of the stack, and then we're going to move EBX to and push EBX onto the top of the stack, and so on and so forth. So it would start at 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is essentially how the process would work to move the value of EAX to 1 and then push that value into the register. And then of course now that brings us to uh, the word pop, which is the function that will actually pop that value uh, into the register. So the pop function works basically when you look at number 4, because number 4 would technically be at the top of the stack. So number 4 would be the first one to pop out and be placed into the register, which would then be placed in the EAX register. So then it would be going into a descending process. So instead of it looking like this, you would technically have the option to pop 4 into the EAX register, and the same would then go for number 3 when you actually pop that into the EBX register. 2 goes to ECX, and that leaves us with 1 going to EAX.